Hello everyone, welcome to Aljo. Today we are going to talk about another new plugin, and the plugin is going to help you to interact with your customer, with your client and with your potential buyer. So today we are going to talk about a chatting plugin, and the plugin name is Twerk.to. So Twerk.to, this is a live chat WordPress plugin, and this plugin is fully free. So today we will start with analyzing the WordPress.org information. After that we'll move to the related resource, and then we'll talk about their website, the pricing. After that we'll share some personal opinion, and finally we'll end up this video with the insight analysis from the WP Hype. So let's get started to start talking about Twerk.to live chat WordPress plugin. Alright, so Twerk.to live chat, this plugin has 200,000 active installation. So you can understand how much website is powered by with this live chat plugin. Now this plugin has updated last in 4 months ago. Now most of the rating of this plugin is 5-star. Still this plugin has some 4-star, 3-star, 1-star, even 2-star. Quite natural, since the plugin has 200,000 active installation and it's not possible to satisfy everyone with one service, right? After that, the description of this plugin, it's not a big description, not a small description, it's a sensible description, I guess, but still it could be increased more. They can add some more detailed information for their user. Now they added one link that why this plugin is fully free. So let's browse this link, and they also add some screenshot for the plugin. Alright, so this is their website where they explain why this plugin is fully free. If you are interested that why this Twerk.to is fully free, don't forget to browse this link. This link will be available on the description box. Now from their website they have some product, live chat and chat pages, both of them are free. They have some service, chat agent and virtual agent. Chat agent is started from $1 and virtual assistant is started from $7 per hour. Now this price is the current price I'm talking about in 2021. They may update it day by day, so their website will talk the latest price from them officially. Now the next thing is, this is the live example of their plugin. So if you use this plugin on your website, your user will get this kind of interface on the website, and this box will always show chat by Twerk.to, and you can remove this by paying them some extra bucks. Alright, so this is their website. Let's see the landing page of the site. This is beautiful landing page from my opinion, and they have described they have some big users worldwide, so you can trust them, I guess. Now let's move to their resource. This is their YouTube channel. They have some video, but I don't think that these are going to help you a lot. Their website has some documentation, those will help you. If you need some help, you can talk with them in with their own live chat. Right, so the last things I would like to talk about the plugin. The plugin has 2 million total download, where 200,000 active installation they have, and the plugin growth rate is 0.1%. Their insight is quite impressive, unless one or two they have, like they don't update the plugin frequently, and no problem was detected during the test. It's also negative according to the WP Hype. Now overall quality, ease of use, quality of support, value of money, features, everything is 5 according to WP Hype. Now the next things I would like to talk to the installation. Last couple of months they have very less installation. 3 months ago they update this plugin for the last time, and in last week they have 5,000 installation. Alright, the plugin is 8 years and 126 rating they have in WordPress.org. So you can understand that this is a kind of old plugin. This plugin is started 8 years ago, right? And let's talk about my personal opinion. I think this is a quite good plugin if you are a starter, if you want to start talking with your potential buyer, with your potential visitor from the website, and from the live chat you can convert your buyers to the regular buyer from the site, right? So if you are a starter, definitely I am recommending Twak.to live chat for your website. Now the last things about the plugin is fully free, so if you are happy with the plugin, then don't forget to give them a good rating on wordpress.org. Alright, so this was the review from the Aljo. If you want us to review your own plugins, then don't forget to comment below. Also you can email us with the details of your plugin. And so that's all about today's video. Thank you.